Electrical discharge machining, EDMing, is a relatively new technique which has developed very rapidly during the last 10 years, resulting in improved machining performance, CNC function, electrode changing, and so on. The same, unfortunately, can't be said about the practical applications of the manual or the CNC EDM machines. There's much that can be improved with regard to electrode manufacturing, mounting the electrode on the spindle nose, as well as locating the workpiece on the machine table. We can start with the machine table, which lacks references in the X and Y directions. This leads to long setup times, loss of flexibility and accuracy, increased investments, etc. Another weak point is the spindle of the machine, which needs to be handled with extreme care to ensure rigidity, accuracy, and proper technical function. It's basically just a matter of choosing the right equipment to start with, and you can't go wrong if you pick the System 3R concept EDMing. This, providing its link to 3R's fundamental principles, allows you to create a unique and total concept through integrating several systems with the machine. The macro and refix systems introduce fixed references on the machine spindle and machine table. Electrodes and tools are given fixed positions relative to the electronic 0 point of the 3 coordinate axes X, Y, and Z of the machine, thus closing the loop for the 1-minute setup. The refix system digitizes the machine table by means of reference holes, which give accessories, pallets, and workpieces fixed positions. The patented refix expanding mandrels permit setup and repositioning to take place without any need of alignment or adjustment later. The refix expanding mandrel is no ordinary dowel pin insofar as it expands symmetrically, thus ensuring a high accuracy of repetition. Equipping all your machine tables with a refix table will link them together in a standardized reference system. This will in turn improve your productivity and flexibility by 50 to 100%, as well as increase your total accuracy. Fitting a macro quick clamp holder on the spindle nose will give you a basic attachment that has no market equivalent with regard to robust design, and turbo lock will increase clamping power. Chuck and holder are both provided with permanent and reliable references. There are no loose parts that could be exposed to knocks or jolts that would spoil the accuracy. Another unique feature of this patented design is the floating bayonet drawbar with a large through hole for flushing. Choosing a low-price alternative that falls short of the requirements for concept EDMing would actually be more costly in the long run, leading to higher operating costs, lower productivity, less flexibility, and less accuracy. System 3R has chosen the road to total productivity that will give its users the best results at all stages of machining. EDMing can't be regarded as an isolated technique, but has to be linked with other machines for electrode manufacture and machining of workpieces. System 3R offers a wide range of products that allow these machines to be linked for increased productivity and flexibility through the 1-minute setup. With a combination of macro holders and 10mm refix, System 3R offer without comparison the most ingenious electrode management system on the market. The refix holes permit the macro holder to be removed and refitted without any later need of adjustment. Refix holes can be made directly in the electrode blank or in simple adapters that could also be made by the customer through conventional machining methods. The mini system is used for small electrodes. It has the most widely used and most inexpensive type of electrode holder available. The holder is mounted in a hydraulic quick clamp holder with a repetition accuracy of 0.002 of a millimeter. With both the macro and mini systems, the electrodes are manufactured on holders with fixed references, which will close the loop between the machines for electrode manufacture and the EDM machine. And this is the only way that the conditions for 1 minute setup can be fulfilled. Larger electrodes and accessories are mounted in the Maxi system, which is based on the dovetail principle and is known for its rigidity, accuracy and simplicity. With a Maxi chuck on the spindle nose, accessories and electrodes can be changed quickly and simply to cover a wide range of applications. The electrode or accessory is lifted into position with a safe two-handed grip and locked in place. System 3R concept EDMing also includes a built-in high-performance C-axis, which meets the highest stability and accuracy norms. The speed range is 0 to 2,000 revolutions a minute, with a maintenance-free sealing function for suction and pressure flushing at all speeds. Direct measurements are obtained with a resolution of 1/1000th of a degree. As alternatives to the built-in C-axis, manual and motor-driven versions for Maxi, Macro and Mini systems are available, mounted on the spindle nose. System 3R offers a complete range of Robomatic automatic electrode changers with magazines with up to 48 tool positions. Robomatic is available for the Maxi, Macro and Mini systems. With a Robomatic, your machine can be in operation round the clock. Planetary motion between electrode and workpiece can dramatically improve your machining results by cutting machining times, producing closer machining tolerances through size calibration, and giving better surface finish. The number of electrodes needed will be reduced as wear is distributed over the whole surface of the electrode. The OrbiCut program includes everything from simple mechanical units to 2 and 3 axes CNC versions for electrode weights up to 50 kilograms. There are 2, 3 and 4 axes Orbi CNC systems that can be built into the machine table and meet all the requirements for concept EDMing and 1 minute setup. One of the main advantages of EDMing is that the result can be checked prior to machining. The Refix CMM coordinate measuring method guarantees quality at a very moderate cost. Through Refix CMM, all machines are integrated into a standard reference system that assures increased productivity, flexibility and quality. Electrodes and workpieces are measured simply, rapidly and reliably. Machining can be interrupted to check the measurements of workpieces which are mounted on Refix pallets. Refix CMM supersedes other forms of presetting, as electrodes as well as workpieces are measured by 3D technique. The Refix CMM also fulfills the conditions for 1 minute setup. System 3R, the toolmaker's partner since 1968, is now introducing a new phase of development in EDMing and toolmaking. System 3R Concept EDMing. This development is based on the clear-cut principles of 3R technology. With tooling, systems, concepts and training, we are offering our customers in tool rooms and serial production support to introduce the 1-minute setup productivity strategy. Our worldwide marketing organizations and international partners are always at your service to show that System 3R really is the best way towards increasing your productivity, flexibility and quality. System 3R offers you the most complete range of products for total productivity. This leads to